Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate your display or extend your display with a second monitor or TV. And this is really easy to do. So I have my display duplicated from my laptop over to my Amazon Fire TV. So I have my laptop right here, and it's the same image. And I can extend the display too, so I can move from one screen to the next, and I can start working and open up tabs, no problem. It's not going to be a duplicated screen. So the easiest way to do this, it's very, very easy. Let's go on over to my laptop right now. Now all you want to do is press the Windows button and P at the same time. Windows button P, and it's going to open up a little menu on the side. So let's go back over to my TV now, and there's the menu right there. And it's going to give me a bunch of different options. So it says duplicate or extend. If we go to PC only our display will be displayed on our PC, and our TV or our second monitor will be black. If we go to second screen only, this is going to blacken our monitor, blacken our laptop, but our second display will still be on. So we probably don't want to go to this option, or you might want to do that, but you can go to duplicate or extend right here. So I'll just go to the second screen only because I kind of didn't really describe that very well. But if you look down at my monitor, you can see it's a black screen. It's not displaying anything. But if I go on over to my TV is displaying everything, and my monitor is dark. So just hit the Windows button and P, and then you have all these different options under here. You can even go to more display settings right here. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.